Meet the real singers.
Welcome to our show, Fact Hour. I would request my co-host Gina.
First time the term AI was coined by John McCarthy.
Can I say that AI will be replacing humans?
That's a very good question, sir. Anyone from
Cyber attacks such as deepfake hack.
घर कहाँ है आपका? मेरे हाथ में है।
Personally successful in America and other
who does the coding? AI has not become
business my team to create a song here.
man, please have
I am Anna, the AI assistant of Fact Academy. Welcome to our show, Fact Hour. I would request my co-host Gina Muni to continue the show from here on. See you later. Thank you.
Thank you, Anna. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our most popular show, Fact Hour. I am Jinamani Deka, the host of today's show. Our today's topic is to discuss this topic in detail. We have invited some special guests from different universities and colleges. So let us have an introduction of the guest. I request our first guest, Ms. Dishamani Das, to come up on stage. She is from IIT. Ma'am, please have a seat.
Thank you.
Our next guest is Ms. Ananya Rai. She is from IIT Madras. Ananya ma'am has brought her IT team with her. I would like to call all of her IT team on stage. Ma'am, please have a seat.
Please have a seat. Thank you.
He is Minmay Banikar, he is Priyam Das, and she is Rifa Sultana. Sir and ma'am, please have your seats.
Thank you.
Our next guest is Ms. Farbin Sultana, and she is from Delhi University. Ma'am, please have your seat.
Thank you.
University. Sir, please have a seat. Our next guest is Mr. Ahmad Ali. He is from Dibrugarh University. Sir, please have a seat. Our next guest is Ms. Duburi Adhikari. She is from IIT Bombay. Ma'am, please have a seat. I would like to thank all our guests from coming to our show today. Now, before going directly to our guest, I would like to talk to my audience. So, my dear audience, do you know what is AI? Please raise your hands if you know about AI. Well, I have seen some hands in the air, so that means a few people know about AI. Well, it's okay, but AI is not a new concept. The first time the term AI was coined by John McCarthy, and he was a mathematics professor. Since then, many people started knowing about it, making all the people surprised. In 1997, the supercomputer Deep Blue defeated the chess champion. After that, it got developed in such a way that we can see its uses everywhere, right from schools to business houses, government offices to private organizations, music industries to animation world, traffic management to car automation, etc. As it is vastly impacting our lives, we should know more about it. Well, without getting late, let me go to our first guest. So, Ms. Dishamani Das, please say something about AI. A machine to think and work like a human. So it can give us tasks like answering questions, solving problems, or making things easier for us. AI is a tool that helps us in making a system work automatically by itself without human interruption. Thank you, ma'am. My next question is to Ms. Upasana Saikia. So, ma'am, how is AI helping us?
AI provides 24/7 customer search chatbots. Different virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa simplifying our life by managing different smart homes appliances, leading to better efficiency and security.
Thank you, ma'am. My same question is to Ms. Ananya. So, ma'am, how is AI helping us?
AI helps in recognizing and fighting cyber attacks. AI is used to filter spam calls, emails, messages, etc. AI has helped to suggest things that are mostly ordered by the people of a certain place, resulting in better management of logistics, storage, and inventory.
Thank you, ma'am. My next question is to Ms. Farbin. So, ma'am, how is AI helping us in our daily life?
AI can help in traffic management. AI can be used in car parking in congested places, leading to better management of parking space. Also, many car makers are bringing autonomous car which is driven by AI. Also, Instagram has many AI influencers that has been able to generate lots of revenue for their creators.
Our daily life. My question is to Subhajit sir. So, as Upasana ma'am said about AI chatbots and AI providing us virtual assistants, so sir, what do you think about it?
But AI in customer service can lack empathy and human understanding. Also, AI cannot directly solve all the problems. AI systems rely on vast amount of data, raising concern about the privacy of individual and the potential for misuse of personal information.
Thank you, sir. My next question is to Sir Ahmed. So, as Ananya ma'am said about AI helping us in cyber security and filtering out spam calls and messages, so sir, what do you think about it?
AI is exploited for cyber attacks such as deepfakes, phishing, and automated hacking. AI helps the students in getting knowledge about different topics, but their over-reliance on technology is reducing their mental ability, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills.
My next question is to Ms. Dubori. So, as Farbin ma'am said about autonomous cars driven by AI and AI models in different social media platforms like Instagram, so ma'am, what's your comment on it?
Autonomous cars may be successful in America and other developed countries, but looking at Indian roads, can you say that it will work in India? Also, if AI models dominate Facebook and Instagram, then there will be race on social media among the people to be like AI model. AI model will create unrealistic beauty standards, and people will suffer from perfectionism syndrome.
Thank you.
I would like to add on something. Recently, Google CEO laid off their entire Python team, which resulted in many talented coders lose their jobs. So, can I say that AI will be replacing humans?
That's a very good question, sir. Anyone from our guests would like to answer this question?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
I want to answer it.
No, there are two types of coders. One who identify the other who does the coding. AI has not become that much advanced to identify the problems and solve it by itself. AI can be used to build websites or apps. Google has laid off the coders but not the problem identifiers and solvers. AI can only replace the inefficient workers and those who does not remain updated with time. Thank you, ma'am. So if AI is this much advanced, then I would like to know from my guest if AI have any use in the music industry.
Yes, AI is used in the music industry also. AI is used to write lyrics. I request my team to create a song here right now.
Going to say something. Okay, we are going to demonstrate it, but do you have any suggestion or any specific Hindi words?
Okay, ma'am. I would like words.
देहात देहात देहात
Dehat.
घर कहाँ है आपका? मैं देहात में, मैं देहाती हूँ। ओके देहात समझ गया ना?
Okay, our lyrics has been created. Now we are going to make a song using that lyrics.
Sir, it's a problem. Be the real singers? Okay, so let's listen to the song.
Okay, our song has been created. Now we are going to play.
Off the microphone to off.
We got to know about controversy regarding the mispronunciation of Assamese word in a caller tune made with AI.
Yes, sir, I have heard it too.
Excuse me, ma'am. I want to say something. You are right, as AI is in an early stage right now. It is developing and will improve with the time.
Thank you, ma'am.
I want to say something. But AI creating new songs will destroy the creativity. It can be a threat for the music directors, singers, composers, etc.
Thank you, ma'am. So seems like AI has a lot of tremendous potential to improve human life, but also comes with challenges. Proper regulation, ethical consideration, and efforts to bridge gap can maximize its benefits when